Rosemount is a suburb southeast of the Twin Cities. A major factor in Rosemount's development is the expansion of neighborhoods into remediation sites. Remediation sites affect property value because of pollution.
Although a large portion of the northeast side is industrial zoned, most of the city's landscape is agricultural. Of the parts that are developed, there is a small downtown with civic and commercial spaces directly next to small old ramblers. The further you go from downtown, the larger and more expensive the home.
Development in the city is fast-paced. In 2000, Rosemount's compact residential areas comprised only the southwest corner of the city. Wooded areas dominated the north. Agricultural areas separated the downtown from the industrial. Over time, you can see the more spread-out, wealthy neighborhoods expanding into the wooded areas and farmland at a very high rate. As a result, housing is getting closer and closer to the industrial areas. Furthermore, the dashed line in the southeast corner represents where the city's 2040 development plan is located.
In the 2040 plan, the council is pushing an aggressive commercial and business development agenda by changing about a third of the city's current zoning from agriculture to accommodate commerce. With the council members' backgrounds in business, finance, and development, the local government is a major actor in Rosemount's urbanization. As stated earlier, the space between the residential and industrial areas is shrinking. This poses some questions such as, will low-income housing be placed near the refinery? To what extent will occupants' health be jeopardized by pollution? How will the local environmental ecosystems be impacted as a result of residential expansion? By encouraging residents to embrace the practicality of urban centers, will the city's fast-paced development slow down? Rosemount's 2040 plan entices Leonard Homes, builder now seeking to build 1,500 new homes in the city's designated growth area. The following intervention proposals' main actors include Rosemount's renovated downtown, new carbon sinks, and existing farmland. This intervention aims to connect the actors, establish cross-city relationships, and offset emissions from the refinery.
Farmers markets will connect the downtown residents with local farmers. The implementation of a forest acting as a carbon sink will engage the public by incentivizing plots of land that they can buy. Additionally, portions of the farmers' lands will be utilized for public harvesting, encouraging the purchase of local produce. Bike trails will then connect these actors. However, without carbon sink incentives, the residents will not be motivated to preserve the forested area. Without preservation, industrial companies will obtain the land, increasing pollution. Furthermore, if these connections are only formed in a close proximity to the improved downtown, the east side of Rosemount will have weaker ties to the established west side. This creates opportunity for new development without any resistance.
Rosemount wants to expand eastward. The renovated downtown includes more vegetation and a tighter-knit residential community. Rentable garden plots will be available throughout Rosemount in the city's garden lottery system. Pedestrian bike trails from downtown lead to the fields.
Here you can see the walkable trails connecting downtown to the farmland. This creates easy access to the cross-city farming network.
Roof gardens in downtown will be a crucial member of Rosemount's spread-out carbon sinks.
After reviewing the proposal, the Rosemount Planning Commission asked for a comparison between the before and after of two areas, Rosemount's downtown area and Rosemount's undeveloped east. The new downtown area will be composed of a network of bike trails that will enhance walkability and bikeability, more storefronts, small businesses that contain residential spaces above, and roof gardens that promote sustainable living. By allowing local Rosemount residents to harvest their own food from farmlands, the agricultural fields will remain untouched by new housing developments. Through the new connections between the downtown, farmlands, and forested areas, Rosemount will challenge the urbanization process.